Okay, trying something a little different here. I've got this log that's down over the side hill. I'm trying to get it pulled up this way so I can, if I can get it up over here on the driveway, then I can roll it up over onto the log deck. The problem is it's down over this hill. It's giving me a little bit of problems here this morning. So I've got 6 pulleys on this. So I've got the first one I've attached on here, and I have 2 pulleys set right there. And those 2 pulleys are over hooked to 2 pulleys over here, and then the last one loops around, comes back to the 5th pulley that I've hooked onto the log again, and then onto the 6th one, which is up here, this small one, 1.5 ton pulley here, and then it's hooked down to my truck. So let's see if I can, with this many pulleys, pull that up onto pull it up onto here. Okay, for the second part of this pull, this part came up really easily with the 6 pulleys. So I've cut it back to 4 pulleys, 2 here, 2 on there, and then I've redirected to, because I got a 200-foot cable and I just need to be able to keep my truck on firm footing. So I took it up, pulleyed onto that tree there, came back down, pulleyed onto that, and then I'm going to go over to the truck. So let's see if this will pull it on up to where I need it. Okay, last leg of the journey of this. I've just got to pull this the last 4 feet. So I'm just taking up slack on this 200-foot cable. So I went all the way over and hooked onto a stump over there just to take up some of the slack. Now let's see if I can pull that the last 4 feet. Was it Archimedes who said, give me a lever big enough and a firm place to stand and I'll move the world? I would say, give me enough pulleys and a downhill pull with my pickup truck and I can move almost any log if I have enough pulleys. So actually that pulled fairly easily. I'm going to spin that end around, go up past that tree and do like I did before and roll them up to the loading dock. So I'll bring you along for that. Obviously that was a little harder than most, but I think I've pretty well got it. Now I just need to get it over there on the loading docks. Okay, both logs are up on. Like I said, it took a little longer than I anticipated. It was a little bit sloppy here today because we've had so much rain. So I was slipping around here, so I was trying to be as careful as possible. But we got those 2 logs up out of that hole with the use of the pickup truck. So that's a good thing. So until next time, thanks for joining me, and if you would, please like and subscribe. I'll pick this up and we'll talk a little bit more. Maybe I'll bring you along for some milling a little bit later. Until then, you have a great day. Okay, I see how my battery's going. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 2x12s, a 9.5, and an 8. That's on the big stock, and then I've got 3 boards. So that was a pretty good log. That's using the slabbing method. So I'm going to mill out those last few boards and call it a night. Till then, thanks for joining, and as always, please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. You have a great day.